Everything Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have tell ndị Igbo finally come to pass. The question is, what else would happen that you people will believe all the prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that Igbo properties or Igbo business will go down in Lagos and is happening today before our eyes. My people, wey dey for inside this Mandilas market, wey dey for Lagos, I'm so sorry, but the truth has to be told. We know in a land there are always one prophet or one seer. During the days of our fathers, there's always a seer, and there are many in different sections. But today we have somebody that reviewed the agenda and the plans they get against ndị Igbos. When something happened to Nigeria now, the places they will target is Igbo side. When they kill one girl, Deborah, in northern part of the country, which shop did they destroy? Is it not Igbo business? What does Igbo have with the religion matter that happened in that area? But the truth has to be told. I don't know how many times or how many things that our brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have said that our people will listen, and what will happen so that we believe that all these things Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that's happening one after the other, that this man truly see it deeper. And it's a high time, I've been saying this is for many long time, it's a high time that you people fight and bring that man out. Maybe have a solution to most of this thing that is happening. In growing that man, thinking that you will go forward without him, you guys are making a very big mistake. I'm telling you people the truth. If you like that me, if you like don't that me. So guys, please, I want you to share this video that I'm going to show you, but let's find out how this thing they happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today and the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. See they here, they bring updates back to back as they hot. Let's watch this video together while we come back and continue. people, share this video and make sure that this video go viral. The world need to be seeing what is happening, so that when one person rise tomorrow and say all this thing is enough, so that all these things will be an evidence for us to also show that when it is been happening. But let me tell you something. You see this thing that happened here, there's no investigation will go about it. They will come outside now and talk, it's a fire outbreak, or they will call it, it's a bomb blast, it's a this one, it's a that one. Foul. Look at a heavy hole that happened in their own land, and they say it's a gas explosion. This country is funny. When I looked at things that happened in this country, I began to wonder, how come have I even come across this country? Why? But however, I like where I come from. I am an Igbo man. I will remain an Igbo man. So my people, share the video and leave your own opinion for inside the comment section. One solution to all these things is referendum. Separate way. Now be the solution.